So this problem is asking us to find the limit as x approaches -1. In order to find the limit as x approaches -1, we first need to evaluate the limits as we approach -1 from the right side and from the left side. So for part A, we need to evaluate the limit as x approaches -1 from the right side, and as we follow the graph g of x from the right side, we see that at -1 we have a y value of 3. So as x approaches -1, we have a y value of 3, so our limit would be 3. So for part B, we need to approach -1 from the left side. And if we follow the graph from the left side, we see that at x, as x approaches -1, we also have a y value of 3. So the limit as we approach -1 from the left side is equal to 3. Okay, so for part C, since both -1 from the right side and from the left side have a value of 3, then the limit as x approaches -1 is equal to 3. Now part D is asking us to find the real value at x is equal to -1. So what is the value of y at x is equal to -1? And that pretty much is where we have a closed circle. So don't get confused, because a lot of people think that g of -1 would be 3 here, but it's actually not. It's actually where we have a closed circle, because that's your real value. So g of -1 has a value of 4. So you just find where your closed circle is at, and that would answer your question.